Welcome to the latest collection from Veymax. Today in the video, I will unbox the Veymax X4S electric skateboard. The first thing inside is a layer of foam, and underneath is our X4S. Just by touching it, you can feel the quality of the product. Let's check out all the accessories. The first one is the X4 remote control. The remote control feels really good in hand. To turn on the remote control, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. This power bar is the power of the remote control. This battery bar is the battery of the skateboard. Here is the direction and gear of the skateboard. Here are the brakes on the skateboard. To turn off the remote control, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds or until the screen turns off. Next is the user manual. It's always important to read the manual, and it is necessary before riding the skateboard. This is a T-tool. A T-tool and a hex wrench for simple adjustments and repairs when needed. It also comes with an extra set of bolts. In case you lose any of the bolts that come with the board, 10 screws for the hub motor cover pre-installed. This is a special charger for X4S. We do not recommend charging with unofficial chargers. The X4S is also equipped with 2 taillights. The tail light has 6 modes, including constant light, flashing, breathing and more. You can use the Type-C charging cable to charge. Next up is our X4S. X4 South is the top version of the X4 series, fully upgraded battery. This arrow indicates that this is the front wheel. It has been upgraded in size to provide a wider foot space, with a length of 37.8 inches and a width of 9.8 inches. The board itself is made of a composite material consisting of 8-ply Canadian maple plus 1-ply fibreglass, a high-tech design. This spacious deck maximizes flexibility while ensuring stability and comfort during long rides. It also features collision pads on both ends, double protection to prevent bumps. The X4 comes with 105 by 65 mm wheels with a hardness of 7/8, providing durability and traction even in harsh conditions. The motherboard adopts a split design. This is Samsung 40T 21700 cells. High-quality batteries commonly used in electric skateboards. 18 miles on a full charge. This is the SC of X4S, which is the LY-Focky SC for precise control and smoother rides, making it beginner-friendly. The heat sinks on the sides help with heat dissipation and keep the SC running smoothly. Dual 5500 high-power motors. Powerful braking capability makes uphill and downhill a breeze. It combines speed, range, and high quality, making it the ideal choice for a skateboard beginner. If you're interested in this skateboard, learn more about it and experience its greatness. Subscribe our channel for more Veymax products and information. Thank you for watching this unboxing video.